Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, we do have a new coupon. Well, it's actually not a new coupon because we've seen this before a long time ago, but it is new for now, as in lately. So this is a new free item. It's a Gordon retractable utility knife with any purchase. As you can see right there, I did put it on the Harbor Freight website. I did put the coupon code, and they discounted the amount which is $1.99. That is the price. So that is the discounted price. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon. I do have more coupons coming up. So I got some 20% off and more free items. So if you guys feel free to take a screenshot of these items and use these coupons. You guys have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.